Let's start our project. Hello, judges. I am excited to present my project that is basically financial analysis with AI. But we have also added a second project with that helps us in social media posts and social media engagement. So first of all, let me share the idea behind financial analysis. It is an intelligent financial agent that provides comprehensive market insights using real-time data. And this agent combines stock market data, analyst recommendation, company information, and latest news to deliver professional grade finance. So meet our team: Paula Fernandez, AI agent strategist; myself, Afifa Batul, software engineer; and Shahriyar Majid, startup founder. Meet Irfan Said, he is software engineer; and Mohammad Burhan, he is also software engineer. Here are key features of our AI financial analyst. It empowers smarter investment decisions. It automates financial reportings. It leverages the power of AI and APIs. We have used AI ML API in our project to get recommendation and feedbacks from agents. And it is secure and private complaint. And our second project is AI Social Analyst. Basically, it transforms your brand social presence with our all-in-one automation platform. It generates captivating posts, schedule content, and analyze performance. And it is all powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. The key features of Social Analyst are AI-powered content creation, smart scheduling, performance analytics, and automatic campaign management. These are stats that our financial agent offers, that it increase financial services by $17 billion by 2028, and it uses finance functions using generative AI by 50%, and it also we measure our agent in emerging market. And these are all stats in our both project, that they create reports of our businesses, and annual cost saving is 10,000% and 100% there is scalability, and we can expand this in the future. So let's move to the demo. I will also share mobile application of financial agent with you.
So hello and welcome to the Brand Palette, an application that will automate the content creation from now on. And it sounds amazing, but let's see it's working. So we have an about section here in which we have told about ourselves. We are basically an app to save the time. We have basically built this app to save the time and efforts for the marketers, including small business and content creators, by providing them high quality and ready to use social media content. They can create content in just 10 to 15 seconds. So without further ado, let's dive in. This is a very content generator page in which brands have to add their product name. So let's take EcoSmart water bottle, and then we have a product type. So let's add home appliance. If you want to add any specific product details, you can add, but currently I'm just adding whatever you want. That will be dealt by our AI platform, and you have to set tone here. We have multiple tones. Now I want to currently focus on the casual tone, and then we have target audience, including I'm selecting Gen Z students and professionals, and then we have additional notes, and this is very optional. If you want to add, you can add, and then we are selecting what our preferred platforms are, then hit generate. So this is a very application that is completely built on Manstick, and we have used an AI and ML API to generate automated content. This automated content includes product titles, description, blog posts, and social media and images. So this is the product title. You can copy it from here, and this is the description, detailed description, which is completely SEO optimized, and you can use it anywhere, any platform you want. So the important feature is it will also generate the blog post. Blog post includes titles and its key features, also answers multiple questions. Okay, and along with that, we do have multiple feature enhancements, including our auth implementation. We have login and sign up pages, we have contact pages, and at the footer pages, if we route to the content history, user will be able to maintain their content history, which content they are creating for their brand, and it will be saved here. This is one of the feature enhancements, and yeah, that's it. That's it for the basic introduction of our.
Okay, so this is the demo in Google Colab. This is our finance application, in which I have added Igno library to support my finance app agent, and also I have integrated AI ML API here. And at this line of code, I have put evaluate the Netflix subscriber growth and platform finance metrics. So I have also added maximum tokens here, so I get a lengthy response. Previously, I was not using that, and I have a small response. So as I run this, the agent thinks, and it gives me the complete details of my given prompt. So let's try some other prompt and check the response. For example, I have a prompt that compared Tesla's profitability metrics with traditional auto manufacturers. So I am replacing my prompt here, and I am running this agent. Okay, agent is thinking, and it gives me detailed stats for my query, like metrics of Tesla, Toyota, and all other brands. Also, it gives me some key takeaways, like gross and operating margins, net profit margins, and why this gap. It gives me reasons and all these things. So let's try some third query, like how are rising interest rate impacting out sales and the stock performance. Okay, let's check this response. Okay, great. It is giving us the response, impact on auto sales and demand pullback, sales volume, and also it summarized the complete results that rising interest rate have made auto financing post-life. Dented sales volume is especially among marginal buyers this time. So this agent is simple LLM based. It is not multitasking, but it's a mini version of agent that can assist in finance related departments and areas.
So this is my finance app that is basically mobile application developed in React Native. The homepage shows some important stats. Then there is comparison between different companies and market overview. Then I have also added some list of saved information of the user.